Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change Uber Eats account to UberX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply for you to access your Uber drivers app. Once you access it, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So for the matter, afterwards you're gonna find this your offline section where you're gonna, if you're on the ride, it's gonna show you ride, or if you're waiting, or if you're online, it's gonna show the status over here, right? Then you're gonna find this option of this filtering icon beside here, and it's blue. Once you tapped on it, you're simply gonna be able to find it, right? Simply go blue filtered icon, go ahead, tap on it, and that it will simply unleash the services for that Uber gives you, which includes deliveries, Uber Pet, and UberX. Just you can find it over here, right? If you want more services to look, you can tap on the see more over here given, and you can simply access it. So the thing is that if you would like to switch Uber Eats to UberX, you can actually toggle them both. You can see this check mark on right. You can see for this particular, for right now we have toggled these three services. If you want to toggle Uber Eats and UberX, you can tap on it whenever you want. You can change it multiple times whenever you need it according to your preference. You can come over here, go to services, and simply toggle the both service that you need, UberX and Uber Eats, and you will be able to switch your Uber Eats to UberX whenever you want. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.